Okay, so let's everything is fine, guys. Let me know that. Let me know that. Okay, na. Let me know that. Don't worry.
Fine, Ravi.
I will explain. What is that? I will explain. Yeah, yeah. In today there is no possibility is there, Rahul. I next weekend I will implement Swagger and Angular configuration in the project. Okay, na. Today I will test the API using what is that Postman only. Okay, Postman only next weekend. Next weekend I will complete the RESTful also, and those implementation also I will give. Okay, na. After then I will start what is that security model. Okay, in that payload concept I will explain, Padma. Okay, na. There I will explain, because here if I explain it also, right, I have need to security. Without security I can't implement those things. Okay, na. So okay, so now fine, guys. Okay, na. So don't worry, dfd and h and everything I will explain it, guys. Okay, na. Once same things same things. Okay, na. Except extra things I will not explain here, right? Just watch one last 3 to 4 videos are there in Spring MVC mini project. Okay, na. Watch it. Okay, the setup environment only, right? Setup environment and all CURD operation method I already wrote. Okay, na. Again same thing if I do, right? In the people are there who is the right, in the session first day onward. Okay, now they also will feel bore, not bore, right? It will take time, we don't have that much time. Okay, just Saturday Sunday, right? Just utilize it the proper way. Okay, already again and again I have need to collect the dependency again, dfd give the dfd data flow diagram I will give. Okay, na. uh, Once do the practical same things, watch on the YouTube channel. Okay, na. YouTube channel I already uploaded for you people only. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. So but what is that? Okay, so here what is that? DAO layer, all models is there, but here whenever we are working, this is what is that? This is the UI controller, guys, right? This is the UI controller, right? This UI controller is talking about whom? This UI controller is talking about whom? UI page, JSP page. But here we need to expose our database data, right? Our data in the JSON format. So for that, what we will do right now? What we will write now? Let's write it. Okay, na. We will write REST controller. For that, what is that? Com dot app dot what is that? Controller, controller rest, right? REST controller. Okay, na. Controller rest. Okay, na. So fine now. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Employee rest controller. Imply REST controller. Fine now. Okay, so if we want to make this controller, right? If we want to make this controller as a REST controller, which annotation we will apply, guys? At the rate, what is that? At the rate request, sorry, at the rate REST controller. REST controller. Okay, fine now. Okay, so now, so before explaining the things, okay, now, so let's what is that? I'm going to explain what is that DFD, our project DFD, guys. Okay, now, our project DFD. Fine. Okay, our project DFD. Okay, what is our project DFD, guys? What is our project DFD? This is the database we are using in the project. What is that? MySQL database. Okay, na. This is the database. Okay, na. This is the DB database. Okay, fine. So after then, what is that? We wrote what is that? Employee interface. IEMP employee DAO, right? This is nothing but what is that? This is the interface, guys. Okay, na. This is the interface. This is the interface, but we know that we can't write the logic in interface. So where we will go now? It's implementation class, right? It's implementation class. What is that? Employee DAO IMPL, right? DAO IMPL, right? IMPL. So between this is the class. Okay, na. This is the class. Okay, This is the class. Okay, now between this class, which relation is there? Which relation is there? Is a relation is there. Okay, now is a relation is there, and this one, this DAO class is interacting with the database. Okay, now this class is interacting with the database. This class is interacting with the database. Okay, now here what is that? Here which relation is there? Is a relation is there, right? Is a relation is there. Okay, so now fine guys, after then what is that? Here what is that? Here service class is there, right? Service layer. Okay, I employee service. This is also nothing but what is that? Interface. Okay, so interface, right? Interface. After then what is that? Come here. Okay, come here. What is that? Employee service. What is that? Service IMPL, right? IMPL, this is nothing but class, right? This is the concrete class guys. Okay, so here also what is that relation is there? What relation is there? Is a relation is there between these two classes, right? And here what relation is there? Has a relation is there, right? Has a relation is there between these two interface. Okay, na? Here what relation is there? Is a relation is there. Here what relation is there? Has a relation is there. After then the same things. Okay, na? This is the, after then here what? The two controllers are there. Now from here onward two controllers are there, right? Which controller? UI controller, right? Employee, this is the UI controller, employee controller, right? Employee controller. And here what is that? Rest controller, right? Rest controller. Okay, na? So employee rest controller only. Okay, na? So here what we are going to do now? Here we are taking this one between this rest controller. Which relation is there? Which relation between this one? Has a relation is there guys. Okay, na? Has a relation is there. So now same things I'm going to do now here also, right? Same things only I'm going to do now here also, right? Here also. Okay, here also I'm going to make the R lady, right? I'm going to make this one. Okay, in the previous session this much operation we completed already. This operation we completed already, right? And here, so and here already this is the common for all controller guys. Okay, na? This is what is that? This is the common for all controller. These things is what is that? These things is common for all controller. Okay, now this services. Okay, this service class I'm going to use in the this rest controller only, right? This rest controller. Okay, so this is the DFD, data flow diagram. Our DFD data flow diagram is there in the last session. Okay, now last session. Okay, if you really curious about this one. Okay, na? See, I will make you people will understand. Okay, now don't worry about that. But after completing this session, okay, now watch one more time that videos. Okay, now last videos in MBC. Then you people will able to set up the environment. Okay, now set up the environment. Otherwise guys, again don't give the burden. Okay, now to again create the service class, again set the environment of project, all those things, it will take too much time to creating the what is that project environment in the Spring MVC. It's taking one session, right? I think one session is taken to totally one session completed now. Okay, na? So I don't want to waste that time. Okay, so now this is the DFD. Okay, now this is the DFD of what? Our application guys. Okay, na? Our application guys. Okay, so for that what is that? Come here in our REST application, right? I'm going to perform these operation guys. Okay, na? These operation, which operation I'm going to perform now? Fetch, what is that? Fetch all employee, right? Fetch all employee. Another one, another operation I'm going to perform. What is that? What is that? Fetch, what is that? Fetch one employee. Fetch one employee by ID, right? ID. Okay, na? Another one is what? Another one is what? Save employee, right? Save. Save. Save, what is that? Employee. save employee. Another one things, what operation I will perform, what is that? Delete, what is that? Delete one employee, right? Employee, okay na? Delete one employee, right? Another one is, what is that? Update one employee, right? Employee. Okay, this what is that? One operation, two operation, three operation, four operation, five operation. I'm going to perform in our application five operation, right? Five operation. Okay, guys. So these operation I will perform it now front of you people. Okay, so now what is that? This is the UI controller. Leave it. Okay, na? No need. From here onward, we will write what is that? We will write the um rest controller. Okay na, rest controller. Okay, okay, so no, first let's save the object. Okay na, let's first operation we will perform the saving operation. Okay na, let's perform the save operation, guys. Okay, so for that I'm going to write the controller, guys. Okay na, I'm going to write the controller. Please concentrate how I'm going to write it. Okay na, how I'm going to write it. But first, one more time, I have need to see the model data, right, guys? Then I will. Okay na, don't worry. First I will see that model data. Okay, what is the model data inside that? Okay, okay, guys, here no need. Okay, no mandatory. Fine, guys, fine. Okay, everything is good, guys. Okay, everything is good. Okay na, so for that let's write it. Okay na, so till now to work on the project, every explanation I given, guys. Okay na, every explanation I given. Okay na, from here onward. Okay, so let's move on, and we will see that. Okay na, let's move on, and we will see the things. Okay. Yes. So I want to save the, what is that? We will send the JSON or XML data. Okay. But inside our form.xml, one more dependency is need, right? Just now I explained, guys, to converter dependency. What is that converter dependency? Use the chat box. I want from here onward, you people, whoever is there, involve it. Okay, na? Involve it. Use the chat box. Which converter? Just now I explained it, right? So tell that converter name, I will copy from the internet. What is the converter name? Use everyone chat box, guys. Okay na, use everyone chat box. Just two or three message I don't want. Whoever there in the meeting, everyone, from everyone I want. Okay na. Jackson data binding. Okay, dependency we have need. Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, so fine now. Okay, come here. Hmm. Jackson data bind. Okay, so Jackson data bind now complete. Okay, copy this one, come to pom.xml, right? Come to pom.xml and paste it. Okay, paste it. Okay, fine. Okay, fine now, guys. We kept that dependency. Okay, na. One more things. Okay, na. One more thing. In come to in the employee and the top of the class. Okay, at the rate root XML root, right? apply this one. Okay, now this annotation. Okay, now the things is completed, guys. Just let's start the work only. Okay, let's start the work. Okay, now so for that, okay, so we want to save the data, right? We want to save the data, guys. Okay, so for that, how we can write the method? Okay, so here, what is that? Public, what is that? What is that? Response entity, right? Response entity, inside that we will take a string, right? We will take a string. Okay, now what is that? Save employee. Save employee. Okay, now this is the method. Okay, now just return null. Okay, just return the null. Okay, now after then this method we will make as a what? Post mapping, right? Post mapping. Okay, inside that what we will do now, guys? What we will do now, just I'm taking what is that? Save, right? Save method name. Okay, fine. Now guys, okay, so come here, let's write the logic. But I said that, okay, now if we want to save the data, right? If we want to send the data from the browser, right? If we want to send the data on the what is that? From the end user, means client. If client may want to send the data, right? So how our method will accept it, guys? At the rate tell guys, I want from the you, because already I explain each and everything. I want from your side also response. Okay, na? At the rate, what is that media type annotation I explained, guys? Let me know that.
Request body.
Yes. Request, what is that? At the rate request body, right? Request, what is that? Request body, we will apply this one is the mandatory annotation. I said that, right? Response is the what is that? Request is the mandatory, but response at the rate response body is what is that? Optional, guys. Okay, na? Optional. After then what we will do now? Employee emp, right? Emp, just I'm taking this one. Okay, fine. Now the things is completed, guys. Okay, na? Come here. Okay, so next what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Okay, so inside that, write try, right? Try catch block, we will write it. Okay, na? Try and catch block. Okay, I will tell why I'm writing now. Okay, na? Just see that. Okay, just delete this in message. Okay, na? Here what you will do now? Just take what is that? Request, sorry, response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, na? Response entity string, right? String res equal to null I'm taking, guys. Okay, na? Null I'm taking. Fine. So what is that? Here I'm returning that response only, right? I'm returning that response. res. Okay, fine. Now, okay, guys. Okay, so let's come inside this one and write the logic. Okay, now, so for that, if we want to save the data, right, already in the service class, but here what is that? We will auto wire the service, because where we wrote the logic in the DAO layer, right? In the DAO layer. For that, what is that? Private, what is that? I employee service, we will call that interface, right? service, service, right? Service. But this is which kind of uh, um, attribute? Object type. So for that,
Object type.
auto wire, right? We will apply on the top of this method, this attribute. What is that? Auto wire, right? After then what is that? Come to here, come inside that. What is that? Take the service, right? Service dot, what is that? Save method, we will call the save employee, right? Inside that what we will do now? Pass this employee, right? Argument. Okay, so this method return type is what, guys? Integer, right? It will return the int. Okay, integer id. After saving that, it will return the id, na? Okay, so we are getting the id. After then what is that? Just we will return the message also. Okay, just what we will do now? Return the message. What is that? Just string, what is that? Body I'm taking. Body. Okay, employee save success fully, right? Fully. Okay, success, right? Fully. Fine, na? successfully. What is that spelling? Full.
Yes,
Okay, leave.
that
Don't.
was correct.
That one is correct, right? This one is Ly. Okay, leave it here. Don't worry about that spelling. Okay. Okay. Now plus what is that? ID. Okay, na ID. This ID means it will become what is that? A string, right? A string. Okay. Now fine. Now. Okay, guys. So for that, what is that? Take the response reference. RES, right? RES equal to what is that? New. What is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. Inside that, what you will do now, if the successfully, right? If successfully, then what is that? Body. Pass the body. After then, what is that? HTTP request, right? HTTP request. Oh, sorry. HTTP status dot what is that? Okay. HTTP status dot okay. Fine. Now okay, guys, right? So now this message employee successfully ID number we will get. Okay, na? If not successfully save, right? Error if we are getting means exception we are getting, the those logic we will write inside that, what inside this one. Okay, na? Okay, so what we will write it now, guys? Res equal to new response body, right? Response entity. Okay, response entity. Inside that, what we will write it, guys? What it we will write it? Just here, right? I'm writing that. Okay, what is unable to save is to unable to save employee. Okay, na? After then, what is that? Status code will be different, guys. Here, what is that? http status, right? http status dot server. What is that? http status is an internal, right? Internal. We will take what is that? Internal server problem, internal server error. Okay, na? Internal server error. Okay, so this is the message. We will get the another, what is that? This status code. Okay, fine. Now okay, so this is fine, guys. Now after then, we will see the, if we want to see the stack. Okay, now what is that? E dot print stack. Okay, na? Exception error also. What is that? Okay, so now we completed, guys. We completed that method. Okay, na? That method logic. Okay, na? Shall we make the request? Shall we make the request and we will see that? Okay, na? We will see that our data is storing or not. Okay, na? Our data. But first, what is that? Come to database. Come to database and we will see that. Okay, where the my, yeah, this one. Just I'm seeing this one. Okay. Okay, so what is that? Employee. 1 minute, guys. I have need to check what is the database, where the property. EMP, right? EMP. Okay. Okay, only one data is there, na? Five is there. Okay, fine. But again, I have need to check what is I taken. The update I taken, right? Update I taken. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem, guys. Okay, na? Update I taken. Na? No, it's okay. Okay, let's send the data. Okay, let's open the, what is that? First, run the application. First, run the application, guys. propose something. One minute, guys. Something goes wrong. So right. So I think okay. So okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Actually, that this is the last application, na. So 1 minute, because the application some clearance project clear, and we have need to clear the project. Okay, na. Our project is not running properly, guys. Refresh it. Refresh it. Okay. Clean the project. A lot of data is there, and my computer capability is not there to run the data. Okay, na, because of that we are facing this kind of issue, guys. Dialect through everything is fine. Okay, na, but still the data is not showing. 1 minute, project is cleaning now. Okay, na, after cleaning then we will run one more time. Okay, we will run one more time, then we will make the request, guys. Hey, what is this? My system is hanging, guys. Okay, don't worry. One minute, guys. My system is hanging now. Okay. Yeah. One more time, I'm running the application. Oh. Guys, I'm stopping the screen sharing. Okay, na. After running the application again, I will share it. Okay, na.
Okay, Ravi.
Mhm. Okay, so now fine guys. Okay, now it's run. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, now let's see that. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so this is the URL, right? This is our REST controller. Inside that save method is there, right? Copy this one first. What is that? Copy this URL. Okay, now come here. Okay, come inside that postman, guys. Okay, come inside that postman. Okay, so inside that postman, which kind of method post we are making the request, right? Select that one. Okay, here. Hey, I think who is that? Okay, so now fine. Okay, now here, what is that? What is the common URL is there, right? MVC, right? Here, what is that? MVC. After then slash. Okay, na? After then slash. What is that? What is the URL save, right? What is the URL save is there, right? Where? Come here. Okay. What is the save, right? Save. Okay, na? Come to postman. What is that? Save, right? Save. Fine, guys. So now come in the body section, right? Just delete these things. Okay. No need. Okay, no need. Okay, so come in the body section. Okay, so select the raw data is already there, guys. Okay, na raw data is already there. Okay, na so I'm going to send the JSON data. Okay, na so what is that? Select the XML. Oh, sorry, JSON. We want to send the JSON data. Okay, now fine. Yeah, hi Khavish. Okay, so now what is that? JSON data is which kind of open bracket and a close bracket, guys. Okay, na come inside that. What is that? Come inside that model data, right? What is that? See here, auto generated ID is auto generated. We don't have need to take, right? But what is that? Name is there, right? Copy this one, and come to here. Okay, na in the open double quote this one. Okay, so now what is that? Another one is what is that? EMP name. What I'm taking now? EMP name in the okay, Pushpendra, right? Comma. Another one is what? Okay, another one is what? Another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Another one is what? uh, PWD, right? EMP PWD. Okay, fine. Now okay, paste it. Okay, so fine. Okay, another one is what we will take na? PWD. Just one, I'm taking 1234 at the rate 321. Okay, so now fine, guys. Another one is what? Come again here. Come again. Again. What is that? Come in the, what is that? Gender is there, right? Another one is what? Gender is there. Okay, copy this one, come to browser. Okay, na double quote, paste it. After then what? After then what? Gender male, right? Male. Fine, guys. Okay, so now another one is what? Another one more is there, right? And one more is there. What is that? See that what is that? EMP address, right? EMP address. Okay, come here. Okay, so fine. Now paste it. Okay, so okay, now here what is that? EMP address. Just I'm giving anything, just I'm writing anything. Okay, na so now this is the EMP address, guys. Okay, another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Another one is what? Come again. What is that? EMP country, right? Employee country. Okay, come here. Okay, come here. So what is that? Paste it. Okay, after pasting that, what is that? Country is India, right? Now the data is completed, guys. Shall we send it? The data, save here, save, right? Save. Okay, shall we send it now? MVC save. I did one mistake, guys, because the common things. Okay, na. So one things we come did mistake, guys. Okay, na, because in the same application we are taking two controller, right? Two controller we are taking now, but the what is that? One employee rest is there, right? Another one is what? Another one is what? employee rest controller. Okay na. So for that, what we will do now, we will differentiate at the rate request, right? Request mapping, right? Request mapping, inside that, what is that? Rest controller, rest emp, just I'm giving, right? Again we have need to run this application of, okay, let's what we will do now, just let's make the request. If not work, then we will run again this application. Okay na, the rest application. Okay na, so come here. Okay, come here after mbc, before the save. Okay na, do this one only. Okay, so let's make the request. Okay na, let's make the request. For not, for not found, it's saying that not found, right? Okay, let's run one more time application. Okay na. Stop it. I'm stopping the application, guys. Okay. Okay, now run the application. Yes. Let's again make the request, guys. Hey, why we are getting this error? Client side is saying that client side mistake is there. 400, right? 404 means what is that? 404 not found. Method is saying that method mbc rest emp save post, right? The rate post save. Okay na, we are using the save here. Request mapping, rest controller. Fine. 1 minute, guys. Wait, it's something go.